Hi guys, I want to do a review on this grinder that I got. Brand new. Comes 3-year warranty. It's got a 3-meter cable. Can never have a long enough cable. 1200 watt. It's from Parkside, of course. You get a few orbits and stuff. I needed a new grinder because my grinder had it. You hold it upside down and stop. You used to have to shake the crap out of it for it to start working again. And it just used to be, well, it used to be good, but over time it does wear out. So let's see what we've got. I've only quickly opened it. I haven't taken nothing out though, so see what we've got. Right. Instructions book. Handle. The actual grinder itself, do you know what, it's actually fairly hefty. It's quite weighty, that. Spare, yeah, those. I know what they do. I know where they go. I just can't think of the name. It's gonna be a disc. Going from metal, I would have thought. And you got the actual tool for releasing the disc. I think that's it. Is that true? Yeah, yeah. Wrong side. I'll turn it over. So, handle, this, and the locking tool one. Yeah. That's it. Oh crap. Yeah, that's it. So, it spins between no load rotation, 3,000 and 12,000 RPM. Disc is up to 125mm. Spindle lock includes 1 cutting disc, 1 spanner, 2 spare carbon brushes. That's the one. Carbon brushes, that'd be the one. So let's put that over there for a second. My desk is an absolute pigsty, of course. We've got probably safety certificate or whatever it is. I think my grinder was a bit smaller than this. I think it was only down to there, I think. Just instructions and stuff like that. Do not use for side grinding. Wet grind, oh, that's kind of obvious. Do not use defect discs, obvious. Suitable for metal, wear safety shoes, right, yeah. Yeah, so to me that's just instructions, so let's have a look at this. It's 230 to 240 volt, 1200 watt, and like I said, 3,000 to 12,000 revs. You can obviously adjust this as well, which, to be fair, the nut looks fucking torn up, but on the actual key bit you got it on the end here. So not like that. Oh, hold on, Zach, that's pretty damn cool. You got a quick release here, I didn't see that. God, Jesus. They're not gonna work. I need to put you down here somewhere. I've got my tripod here somewhere. Yeah. That's pretty cool. So then you can turn this to whatever you need to. So in my case, I'm probably going to be holding it like this. I will be holding it like this. Sorry guys, you can't see. So like that, it's probably about right. So we'll lock that up there. Holy crap, don't want to jam your fingers in that. Sorry guys, right. And this will need to go in there. I think I did have a handle for the other one as well. That'd be easier. Be nice to hold. And then you can adjust by the looks of your speed here, which I don't know why you'd want to do that. I would have thought you just want to keep it on one speed, but that's just me. And obviously you've got the safety button here as well on the side that you need to push. If you try pushing the trigger, it's nothing. So you obviously have to push it in first before you can use it. Yeah. Obviously you can put the handle this side or on top as well. This one here will be locking the spindle thingy bob. So if I spin it and I push it down, it's now locked in place so it can't move. I know you can't see it probably. Obviously release my finger, knock my finger out, and spins again. Got more safety warnings down there. But yeah, apart from that, I'm just bloody happy to have a new grinder. My one was shot, but my one was years and years and years old, so yeah, that's it guys. I've had quite a few Parkside stuff, well, still got, and they still work great, so if I had to recommend it, yeah. If you use it for heavy use, no, go for something better. Go for something that's trusted, like Makita or stuff like that, or DeWalt, stuff like that. I don't use it for a great deal amount of stuff, so yeah, it does the job what I need to do. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like always, if you need to know anything, leave me a comment. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible and answer you the best way I can. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.